Tito Talks, Johnny Sins. Let's check this out. Namaste guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Thinking Now, the channel where we talk and react things related to India. Thank you so much for passing by one more day. You know, mi casa is tu casa, and hopefully you are enjoying the channel, and if it's like that, you can subscribe here, and as well you can follow me in my Instagram, thinking.nash. So today I'm looking forward to do this video with BB Key Vines and to talks with the porn actor Johnny Sins. So I think so will be super fun. Let's check this out and then we talk about it.
नौड़ी गाजियाबाद कोई ना अरे कोई ना करे से बेहतर।
हर बच्चे का सपना होता है कि वो बड़ा हो के फोटोग्राफर बने, एस्ट्रोनॉट बने, पेंटिंग करे, म्यूजिक करे, डीजे बने, अपना खुद का बिजनेस करे या बाप की दुकान के गल्ले पे बैठ जाए। हर माँ बाप का सपना होता है कि उनका बेटा या बेटी डॉक्टर बने, इंजीनियर बने, या फिर डॉक्टर बने, इंजीनियर बने, या फिर डॉक्टर बने, इंजीनियर बने। लेकिन ये सब हासिल करना बहुत बड़ी बात है। माँ बाप अपने बच्चों को डॉक्टर इसलिए बनाते हैं ताकि घर के घर में मुफ्त इलाज हो जाए। इंजीनियरिंग इसलिए करवाते हैं क्योंकि शर्मा जी ने अपने लड़के के पिछवाड़े में इंजीनियरिंग का बम्बू दिया हुआ है।
लाखों में है एक मोती, इसकी है मुझे मोटी, दिल है करोड़ों की।
बैठ जाइए, सबको गाली खाने का मौका मिलेगा।
बेटा बहुत हो गया, इंट्रो है, गजल नहीं। चल बे बंद कर, क्या कर।
आज के जो हमारे मेहमान हैं वो ना तो शर्मा जी के लड़के हैं और ना इनका किसी एक प्रोफेशन से ताल्लुकात है। ये डॉक्टर भी हैं, ये इंजीनियर भी हैं, ये एस्ट्रोनॉट भी हैं, ये पायलट भी हैं, ये नेवी में भी काम करते हैं, ये डीजे भी हैं और ये कभी कभी प्लम्बर भी हैं। इन्हें आज तक रास्ते में रोक के फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस की बधाई दी जाती है, लेकिन ये वो भी नहीं है। सबसे ज्यादा इनकॉग्निटो मोड पे सर्च किए जाने वाले एक्टर हैं ये, कुंवारे लड़कों के कालीन भैया।
Cocktail roll.
Did you meet Navjot Singh Sidhu before coming here?
Who?
Was there a lot of traffic? How did you come?
Took a taxi.
Fake taxi. तेरा भाई जैसा कोई हार्ड ईच नहीं है। Okay, so how did you find your way here?
This house?
No, the adult film industry. How did you end up going there?
I just always thought I could do it, so I pursued it basically. I moved to LA and just started answering ads on Craigslist and things like that, and I eventually found a couple gigs. I worked for free in the beginning, and
Yeah, because a lot of boys, young boys in India, they want to apply for this job. Nunu not even चार, ख्वाब जैसा कुतुब मीनार। इतना आसान नहीं है ये job. Johnny bhai, what goes into the production of these movies? I know what goes inside the movies, but how are the behind the scenes like?
what you see is a 30-minute, half-hour porn scene, and everybody thinks you're just there for 30 minutes. You know, you do it and you go home, but that's definitely not the case. There's a lot more involved. I'm on set anywhere from 4 to 12 or more hours a day, depending on what goes into the scene. Sometimes there's all kinds of acting, and there's a huge script you have to do in the beginning, and costumes and extras, and it's a whole production. And then you get to the good stuff. You know, I always like to say that I do the acting.
What is good stuff?
The good stuff, you know, what people watch it for. You know what I mean.
तुम बच्चों को लगता है ना बहुत आसान काम है, लाइट्स कैमरा पेलो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल है। People think that it is an easy job. It is an easy job to be what you are, but is it true?
I would say it's definitely not an easy job. I know everybody thinks they can do it.
Yeah.
Every guy
Same.
thinks they can come in. Trust me, I get tons of emails every day from all kinds of guys. Let me get a chance. Let me get a chance. Let me get a chance. But
how many mails do you get from India?
from India, I have to say the majority of emails I get are from India. Everybody there wants to get into the business.
कहीं नाम ऊंचा मत करना तुम लड़के लोग, डिग्रियां नहीं मिल रही तुम्हें. So is it true that most of the men are done in 2-3 minutes? I'm just asking for a friend.
You definitely don't have to be done in 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, it's really all in the mind. If you can control your mind, you can go for as long as you want, really.
Yeah, so cause my friend, he usually gets done during foreplay only.
He's weak.
I'm not.
I knew it was you.
Also, out of curiosity, is Johnny Sins your real name?
No, it's Steve Wolf.
But why Johnny Sins?
Johnny Sins is a stage name.
अरे स्टेज पे कहाँ करते हो तुम, तो 4 दीवारी के बाहर नहीं निकलते. इन्होंने अपने 13 साल के करियर में कम से कम 2300 वीडियो में काम किया है. जॉनी भाई, I read on Wikipedia that you've featured in over 2300 videos. Is that true?
Yeah.
सूझ नहीं गया? Nothing. Most of the people want to know that why is logic missing in your movies? कुत्ता बीमार हो गया, आ जाओ कर लेते हैं. फुप्पी मरने वाली है, अरे कर लेते हैं. नलका खराब हो गया, पूरा मोहल्ला पैसा बैठा है, लेकिन आपको अपनी हवस बुझानी है. अरे प्लम्बर क्यों?
It's not a commercial movie, so skip right to that part.
और इतनी ओवर एक्टिंग क्यों करते हो?
Man, you got some real issues with me.
देखा, मैं यही तो बात कर रहा था. You proved my point. Which is your favorite football club?
Manchester United.
आई थॉट बाहर से लो ना. तो मैं इनके बारे में पढ़ रहा था और मुझे ये जान के बड़ी हैरानी हुई कि 2018 में केरला में कई बसों पे इनकी फोटो लगी थी. आई रेड इन द पेपर्स, आई सॉ द पिक्चर्स ऑफ यू बीइंग ऑन द बसेस ऑफ केरला, India. Why?
It was a tourism bus, and the owner of the company was just looking to get more young people to buy tickets to go on the bus.
इन्होंने एक ट्वीट किया था जिसका भुवन ने रीट्वीट किया था ट्विटर पे कुछ महीने पहले. वो मैं बताता हूँ क्या था.
Yep, that was it.
No, really, but why do you want people to translate your videos in Hindi? क्या बोलोगे? हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मेरा गला दबा दो पिताजी, मेरा गला दबा दो पिताजी. तुम क्या मस्त काम करता है मकसूद भाई.
You're crazy.
ये आदमी बहुत फिट है. ये अपनी फिटनेस पे बहुत काम करते हैं. आप देख ही सकते हैं. He's a fit guy.
I have a YouTube channel called Since TV where I show people, how they can be healthy, what you can eat, how you can work out.
So he's a fit guy, complete package, good body, no alcohol.
No. You?
Only breezer. ये इतने सारे कैरेक्टर प्ले करने की जरूरत क्या है? सीधा साधा काम करके नहीं निकल सकते आप. Why do you need to play so many characters?
Look who's talking. You know what's common between us? People can't watch our videos with families or on speakers.
You know what's not common between us?
What? The fuck are you doing?
मेरे को नापने का.
Oh,
अरे अरे जॉनी भाई.
dude, stay away from me.
नो दिस इज जस्ट एन इंची टेप. मुझे जाना तुम लोग इंजेक्शन मार मार के जनता को कितना बेवकूफ बनाते हो.
I don't understand a single word you're saying.
हाँ, तेरी वीडियो देख के मुझे भी ऐसे ही लगता है. जॉनी गद्दार.
बैठ जाइए, सबको गाली खाने का मौका मिलेगा.
That was so hilarious, guys. Really, really made me laugh. Well, what can I say? The porn industry is always a porn industry that will leave a lot of money. The sex industry is always is something that it always will sell. But he did it in a very super tasteful way, I believe. It was a very kind of interesting, jokey interview that I really enjoy. But I don't know how it was taken in India, because I know that India is a little bit more conservative country, that even kissing is not like well seen in public, or even talking about sex or things like that in front of your family. But like, it's not like here you can talk in front of your family, but at least you can make jokes about it, I guess. But yeah, I think so. This video, like, for me, I found it extremely fun. The chat that we was saying that when he was talking, it reminded me a lot about Amsterdam and how crazy it could be there. But no, I really enjoy it. But tell me, but here I'm more curious to know about how you guys take this video. Like if for some of you wasn't like too heavy topic, for you like was just a normal. I don't know. I would like to know even in this time more about what you think, guys. So thank you so much for suggesting it. I really enjoyed it, especially because he did a big part in English, and I enjoy his videos. The problem that when he talks in Hindi, he talks super fast, and I had to be like, what he say? But I enjoyed more this video because it was a lot of English, a lot of jokes that I was able to understand. So thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Just keep recommending these type of videos or any type of videos about India, about your culture, because you know that I just enjoy it a lot. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.